Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, here we are, December the 2nd, and hey, we've got a pretty big couple things on our agenda. Let me tell you about it. Let me get right to it. First, a ton of things going on this particular weekend. I know that we have a BMW event up in Tampa. The dealership drive is going on. We have a lot of folks going to that program. They've signed up and going to that program. This weekend is the Sebring Drive-On. You're hearing this on Friday morning. You still have time to go to Sebring if you want to do that. You got to run on the line right quick and do an RSVP so I'll know that you're coming, and I can get you in a tour group, or you can drive solo, either one. I'll get you the details if you're still planning to go or want to go. And then we'll be there Saturday morning. First thing Saturday morning, we're at Sebring. Gonna have a blast. Ton of people going, ton of cars going, and looking forward to it. It's going to be our 11th year. It's going to be our 11th year at going to Sebring for this drive-on. So just having a great time. This weekend, I just got to point out to you down below, we're canceling the SQR, the BMW Sarasota event. We have a ton of other things going on, so that event is going to be postponed or canceled for this month. Look at it for the end of December. We'll have that out, so if you want to get out of the house and do those things, you'll be glad to get that done. Let me tell you about the process now. I think we have everything's up and going for the annual dinner. Florida Suncoast annual dinner is January 21st. It's going to be in Tampa. An exciting event, a great event, getting ready for everybody. It'll be capped at 80 folks, so the first ones that RSVP and get in, you're going to have an amazing experience. A little hint, we're holding it at the aquarium in Tampa, and we're going to be eating, when I say this, it sounds crazy. We're going to be eating among the fish. We're going to be eating in the aquarium room, the reef room, coral reef room, and we're about 30 or 40 feet down below the water line. Tank everywhere. We're going to watch all the sea creatures, the whole 9 yards. We're going to tour the facility, appetizers, dinner, the whole 9 yards. It's going to be a really cool event. Capped at 80 folks. First folks that get in. Once you're in, you're in. If you miss it, you miss it. I'm sorry. This will open up. Tomorrow, and so the first 80 folks that get RSVP will get into that dinner. And that's got to warn you a little bit. The prices is what we've normally done are a little bit higher, just a few dollars higher than what we've normally seen for dinners. Since COVID, stupid things have happened. So prices have just gone out the roof. So we are putting $5,000 toward the dinner to buy down. So your price will be a little bit better. So jump on there, get your RSVP done, and that's January 21st in Tampa. So be a part of that. Still some other things going on in the process. So get down to the RSVPs down below. Get your information in. Ton of things going on up in the Panhandle. We do have a officer, board of director, and area governors meeting on the same day in Tampa on January 21st. So we'll be meeting to plan the next calendar year. And as we mentioned, a ton of things going on. We have a new process that we're working on right now, and I'll go ahead and spill the beans just a little bit. We're putting together a motorsports steering committee or group that'll oversee some motorsports things. This could be anywhere from drives to rallies, to autocrosses, to track dates, to kart dates, you name it. We're getting serious about some the motorsports end of our world all across Florida. As we expand and get bigger and more people join our group, then we're putting more resources to that. So a lot of things happening. I want you to pay attention. Voting for your officers and board come up. And that election information is on the website. Take a look at that. There's been some brisk nominations, so we're changing some positions around. People are moving, taking on different roles, etc., and we appreciate that. And then the elections will happen, through the holiday period. We'll announce them at the dinner in January. So just a ton of things going. Want to make sure you're aware of that. Remember, the the BMW Sarasota event for this weekend has been canceled. A lot of other things going on, so we want to make sure people get out and do that, and then we'll reconvene that again at the end of December. Sebring, if you want to get in now. It's the last time you can do it today. This Friday you can get in and get your RSVP in. We'll make sure you can get there. And then block off your date, January 21st. Go ahead and take a look. Don't wait long. I think the dinner tickets start at $55. That's only going to happen for like a week or two, and then they go up to $65, $75. Don't quote me on the number, but the tickets will jump up if they haven't sold out first. We anticipate a sellout, so if you plan to go to the dinner, want to be a part of that, and the other activities that go along with it, jump on there and RSVP. It'll go through the Motorsport Reg is where the link is, but go to our website, you can see it, and you can register and go from there. So until then, I know we're in the middle of the holiday season, so I'm going to tell you folks, happy holidays. I hate that word, but you know why I have to do it. So happy holidays. Our prayers with everybody in this holiday season. Travel safe if you're traveling, and we hope to see you out soon at some of the other events before the holidays. Take care. Happy motoring. See ya.